In this video, I'll show you how to install the introduction 1080p 60 fps mod in GTA San Andreas to restore the PS2 Special Edition prequel intro cutscene on PC. Check my video description for this mod link. Once download done, right click on the essential pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing any mods, backup your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the channel trace folder. Drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file, the destination, and then go back. Open this introduction mod. Open the introduction. Open this GTA SA Classic. Drag and drop these movies inside the game folder. Replace the file, the destination, and scroll down and right click on this 14,000 KB and select show more options, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch through this shortcut. After installing this mod, you can able to see the changes in the intro cutscene, which is now upscaled to 1080p 60 fps with clearer visuals and a smoother playback before the main story begins. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.